It is a major step, even what some might call a victory, for the state in its case against HRC Medical, a chain of hormone replacement clinics that once called Nashville home. Nearly 3 years ago, the Tennessee Attorney General sued HRC after a News Channel 5 investigation exposed questionable claims being made about the company's heavily promoted hormone replacement therapy. Well, now the judge has made a significant ruling, finding HRC and its owners violated the Tennessee Consumer Protection Act. Our consumer investigator, Jennifer Krause, who's been on this story since the very beginning, tells us how this has the potential to substantially advance the case.
After years of legal wrangling, it had looked like it was still going to be a long time before a trial in the state's lawsuit against HRC Medical. But late yesterday, Judge Amanda McClendon released this 39-page ruling in the case, agreeing with many of the more substantial allegations made by the Attorney General against the company and its owners, brothers Don and Dr. Dan Hale.
Hi, I'm Dr. Dan Hale.
Including what state prosecutors maintained
You can feel good again.
was deceptive advertising. The judge wrote that HRC's ads about its bioidentical hormone replacement therapy were misleading and in some cases totally false.
That there are no side effects to these kind of hormones at all. They're nothing but good effects.
Court documents indicate Dr. Hale later admitted, quote, this was an overstatement. And the judge said ads like this and others where the company claimed its therapy was completely safe and had no or minimal possible side effects clearly violated the Tennessee Consumer Protection Act.
I feel better. My skin is a whole lot better.
And HRC's claims that it could restore a patient's hormone levels to what they had in their 20s or 30s were also overstated, HRC later admitted, and therefore, according to the judge, not only misleading, but illegal. As were, she pointed out,
it's just a wonderful thing.
HRC's ads featuring its employees and family members who presented themselves simply as satisfied customers, never revealing their connection to the company. The Hales had asked the judge to dismiss the case, but the judge denied that request. She also found the state did not present enough evidence to support several other allegations. Prosecutors will now have to decide if they want to try to prove those or they want to move on to the liability phase of the case and determine how much HRC and the Hales will have to pay the state. And in the end, the company's more than 8,000 former customers. Jennifer Krause, News Channel 5 investigates.
The Attorney General's office says it has not made a decision yet about its next move, but it's pleased with the judge's ruling and how it moves the case one step closer to resolution.